Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to reset Acer laptop. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on this start button. Okay, when you click on the start button, here click on this setting option. When you click on setting, here you can see on the down, you just scroll down from here. Okay, on this part you just scroll on the down, then here is the recovery option, so click on recovery option. Then only this is the reset this PC. Okay, so if you want to reset, just come on the right side. When you come on the right side, this is the reset PC. Click on the reset PC, yes, and you can follow these steps that it say allow, reset, yes, reset. You just follow and your PC will be reset successfully. Okay, you can reset it like this easily. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.